Hello students, today I am going to start a new chapter called straight lines. Straight lines. Okay students, you know what is the definition of a straight line. The locus of a point on the plane which is moving either direction indefinitely is called a straight line. This is a straight line L, or to denote a straight line you need to take 2 points on the straight line, say A and B. I can say that is AB line or BA line, or simply I can say the line L. So we want to know the behavior of this straight line on the coordinate plane. Okay, that is our present topic. Okay, so present topic name is straight line. First of all, I want to explain what is the meaning of inclination of a line. Inclination or steepness of a line. Inclination of a line. Okay, students listen. Take coordinate system. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Take any line, draw any line on the coordinate plane. For example, this is the line. So the angle between the x-axis and that line, the two positive angle, means the angle made by a line with the x-axis in the positive direction is called its inclination. For example, the name of the line is L, then theta is called its inclination or steepness. So inclination of L is theta, or sometimes called steepness. So the angle made by a line with the x-axis, don't think that with the positive x-axis, that is not correct, with the x-axis in the positive direction, positive angle. Okay, so what is the range theta angle? No? What is the range? I can say that theta from 0 to 180. Theta belongs to either closed 0 to open 180 or open 0 to closed 180. Okay, I will show you. See students, for example, this is the line, head of the line, this is tail, for example. No angle between, I can say that there is no angle between x-axis and x-axis in that line, because that line is entirely fall on x-axis. I can say its inclination is 0. Now I am rotating, see, now rotating. This is head and this is tail. So this is called its inclination, say theta 1. Still I am rotating, taking this point of fix. Say this is theta 2. Still I am rotating, so that is perpendicular to x-axis. Now theta is 90 degree. Still I am rotating. Observe students. Now what happened? Its inclination increasing, no? Greater than 180? Sorry, greater than 90? Less than 180. Increasing. So this is tail, this is head, this is tail. Increasing. I want to use another color for that. Increasing. Students, listen. At a stage again it is coincide with the x-axis. In this case you can say that angle between the line and x-axis 0 degree or 0 radian or pi radian. Still I am rotating. Now this is head, this is tail. Still I am rotating. So important thing is, now this is taken as the angle between the line and x-axis. This one, not this. Should take care. So this only. That's why inclination is from 0 to 180 or 0 to pi. Either you need to include either 0 or pi, any one of them only. So this is the range of inclination of any line. Okay students, here I wrote the definition. If L make an angle theta with the x-axis in the positive direction, then theta is called its inclination of the line L. Just I want to draw a simple diagram for that. So this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Student, this is the line. So this is theta. Okay. So what happened on theta belongs to closed 0 to open pi, or open 0 to closed pi. Both are same. No problem. If theta equal to 0, means I can say that the line is parallel to x-axis or on x-axis. If theta equal to 90 degree, then I can say that line is perpendicular to x-axis or parallel to y-axis. Okay. This is the concept of inclination. Next, concept of slope. slope or gradient all are same. Slope of a line. Slope of a line. Okay. If theta is inclination of any line, then tangent of that inclination is called slope. Theta is inclination of a line, then tangent of that inclination is called its slope. Then what I can say, tan theta is called slope. For example, theta inclination of the line L, then tan theta is called slope of the line L and denoted by letter M. Okay, for example, inclination of the line is 60 degree. Then what is the slope of the line means? I can say tan 60 degree. Tan 60 means root 3. Root 3 is its slope. Okay. Understood? Yeah, this is the definition of slope of a line. Observe here. If theta is the inclination of a line L, then tan theta is called slope or gradient of the line L, and slope of L usually denoted by M. Okay, I will draw the diagram for that. This is y axis, this is x axis. Okay, student, this is the, so for example, line L. It is making angle theta with the axis in positive direction. Then slope of L is in bracket M equal to tan theta. We want find slope of a line, you should know its inclination. Okay. Yeah, you know the behavior of tan theta. Actually, by using graph, I can show you the behavior of tan function. This is 0, this is pi by 2, this is pi, this is minus pi by like this. So, this is the graph of tan function. This is pi I want, right? This is 3 pi by 2. Okay, no problem. Okay, observe students, if your angle is from 0 to pi, tan is positive. Your angle is 0 to pi, pi by 2 pi, your tan is negative. Understood? What is the meaning of that? If theta belongs to 0 to pi by 2, then slope positive. Why? Tan theta is positive 0 to pi by 2. If theta belongs to pi by 2 pi, then slope is negative. Okay. So this is the concept of slope. One more thing is, if the inclination of a line is 45 degree, then its slope is 1. If the slope of the line is root 3, slope is given, then I can say inclination is 60 degree. Here inclination is given, I can say slope is 1, reverse. Okay. Yeah, next important thing, students, slope of x axis is 0 because inclination is 0, no? Slope of horizontal line is 0, means slope of x axis or slope of any line parallel x axis, its slope is 0 because angle is 0 degree only, tan 0, 0 only. Slope of y-axis not defined. Slope of y-axis not defined because the y-axis making 90 degree with the x-axis. So tan 90 is not defined. That's the slope of y-axis not defined. Similarly, slope of any line parallel to y-axis or perpendicular to x-axis not defined. Or slope of vertical lines are not defined. Slope of vertical line is not defined. Okay. Yeah. Next, how to find a slope of a line, students? So, the line is given, we want to find its slope, you should know its inclination. If you know its inclination, then you can find its slope. Okay. Another method, if inclination is not given, but 2 points on the line are given, how to find its slope? 2 points enough to find the slope of a straight line, because through distinct points, we can draw only one straight line. Okay, so to want find the slope of a line, we need 2 points on that straight line. Okay, so I will show you how to find the equation slope of a line when 2 points on the line are given. So theorem here, the slope of a line joining the points a x1 y1 b x2 y2 is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 provided x1 is not equal to x2. Means what is the meaning of this? If 2 points are given on a line, one is a x1 y1, another b is given as x2 y2. We want to find its slope. Initially, actually, we need its inclination. Without inclination, we want to find its slope. What this theorem saying that the slope is nothing but y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. I will prove this. So this is horizontal line, sorry, vertical line, this horizontal line. Okay students, yeah, this is a straight line. On this straight line, say A is one point, say x1 y1 and B x2 y2. So the line is not vertical and clearly given. X1 is not equal to x1 equal to x2, the line becomes vertical, and y1 also not equal to y2, then it is horizontal, no problem. Horizontal, no problem, that should not be vertical. We want to find its slope, let it be theta is inclination. I will write now, let theta be the inclination of, say this is L, then its slope m equal to tan theta. So leave it. Okay, actually using these 2 points we want to find slope. Construction is there here. Students, from A draw perpendicular on x-axis, from B draw perpendicular on x-axis, from A draw perpendicular on this line. So give some names for them. Say this is say P, say Q, say R. So this here O. Okay students, yeah, now observe these two triangles. I will show you. This triangle and this triangle are similar because A are perpendicular to BQ only, x-axis are perpendicular to BQ only, means these two are parallel. You can extend, no problem. These two are parallel, this transversal, that's why this angle also theta, corresponding angles. Okay, now students listen, I want AR length. AR nothing but PQ, PQ nothing but OQ minus OP. Okay, that is nothing but x2 minus x1. And BR I want, BR equal to BQ minus RQ, or BQ minus AP. So BQ means y2 minus y1 from triangle ARB. Tan theta is equal to BR by AR, that is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. See students, BR, what you got, BR, y2 minus y1 only. So what is tan theta? Slope of the line only. Therefore slope of line m equal to tan theta equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So by using this formula you can find the slope of any straight line. Example, find the slope of the line joining points 2 comma minus 3 and 4 comma 2. Okay, slope equal to this, say this x1, this is y1, say this is x2, this is y2. y2 minus y1, 2 minus half minus 3 by 4 minus 2, that is equal to 5 by 2. Slope of that line is 5 by 2. Okay, in this way you can find slope. Students listen now. Yeah, this is this is vertical line, the horizontal line. Okay, take any line parallel to x-axis. For example, this is the line parallel to x-axis, this is perpendicular to x-axis. Okay, so for example this point is 0 comma 3, so this is 1 comma 3, this is 2 comma 3 and so on, because this is parallel to x-axis means the y coordinates are same. Now find slope of this straight line taking any 2 points. 3 minus 3, 0 by 2 minus 1, 1, 0 by 1, 0 only. That's why slope of this line is 0. The slope of any line parallel to x-axis or x-axis slope is 0. Take this line and for example this is minus 7 comma 0, this is minus 7 comma 1, minus 7 comma 2 and so on. Find slope 0 minus 1 by minus 1 minus half minus 7 minus 1 by 0 not defined. That's why slope of vertical line is not defined. Okay. Note, if x1 equal to x2, then the line AB is vertical and hence its slope is not defined. In previous what I explained here, AB for example, the line, if x1 equal to x2, the line becomes vertical, then its inclination becomes 90 degree, then tan 90 not defined, so its slope is not defined. Okay. Two non-vertical lines are parallel if and only if their slopes are equal. Important. This is y-axis, this x-axis. Two parallel lines are given. This is one line, these two are parallel, for example. Parallel lines means what? This x-axis is taken as transversal. So this is theta 1, theta 2. Automatically theta 1 equal to theta 2 only. So this is line L1, so this line L2. Okay, if L1 is parallel to L2, then what I can say, theta 1 equal to theta 2. If theta 1 equal to theta 2, what I can say, tan theta 1 equal to tan theta 2 only. What is the meaning of that? M1 equal to M2 only. M1 stands for slope of first line, M2 stands for slope of second line. Means what is the meaning of that? If two lines are parallel, their slopes are equal and vice versa. Okay. So important theorem, next one. Two non-vertical lines are perpendicular if and only if product of their slopes equal to minus 1. I will show you. This is y-axis, this x-axis. This is one straight line, and this is another straight line. They are perpendicular only, but importantly, any one of them is not parallel to any one of the axes. I can say non-vertical lines, those two. So this is theta 1, so this is theta 2. So this is line L2, say the line L1. Slope of L1 in bracket M1 equal to tan theta 1. Slope of slope of L2 in bracket M2, that is equal to tan theta 2. Okay. So given L1 is perpendicular to L2. So I can say this is ABC triangle from triangle ACB, theta 2 equal to 90 plus theta 1. Exterior angle of a triangle equals sum of interior angles. In a triangle, if one side is extended, the exterior angles so formed is equal to sum of opposite angles. So what I can say here, Nana? Tan theta 2 equal to tan of 90 plus theta 1. Tan theta 2 equal to minus cot theta 1. Tan theta 2 equal to minus 1 by tan theta 1. I will write in next page. So what I can say, M2 equal to minus 1 by M1. The meaning of that, M1 into M2 equal to minus 1. If two non-vertical lines are perpendicular to each other, product of their slopes equal to minus 1. Next, angle between two straight lines. Angle between two non-vertical straight lines. Heading is angle between two straight lines. I can write. It's angle between two straight lines. The two non-vertical straight lines. I will show you. Some theorem is given. I will prove that. This is vertical line. This is horizontal line. So this is one line. This is another line. We want to find angle between these two straight lines. Okay. So this line L1. So this line L2. This inclination is theta 2 is in positive direction. This angle is taken as theta 1. So angle between them is taken as theta. Either this is theta or this is, both are as a to be angles. One angle is taken as acute or automatic angle is obtuse. Okay. Let theta be the angle between L1 and L2, and also theta 1 comma theta 2 are the inclinations of L1 and L2 respectively. So what happened? M1 equal to slope of L1 equal to what? Tan theta 1. M2 equal to slope of L2 equal to tan theta 2. Okay. So again here one triangle is formed. I want to give name. I want to give the name for that triangle. Say ABC triangle. Okay. From triangle ABC, see here, exterior angle equal to sum of oblique triangle. Theta 1 equal to theta plus theta 2. Theta 1 equal to theta plus theta 2. But I want theta equal to theta 1 minus theta 2. So tan theta equal to tan of theta 1 minus theta 2. Tan theta equal to tan of A minus B, tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B. Students, observe na? Tan theta equal to, so M1 minus M2 by 1 plus M1 into M2. So by using this you can find the angle between them. But here two things you will get. Tan may be sometimes positive, sometimes negative, depend upon theta only. That's what I can say here. Tan theta I can say plus or minus M1 minus M2 by 1 plus M1 M2. You want take acute angle, should take plus. You want take accused angle, should take minus. Or in other words I can say that tan theta is equal to modulus of M1 minus M2 by 1 plus M1 M2. So why I use modulus? To get acute angle. In generally angle is acute angle. Okay. So if you know acute angle, automatically you can find obtuse angle. That is not a big problem. Here in this formula, using this formula, you can find acute angle. Modulus is given. Na? Okay. Yeah, students, here. What is the thing here? Note. 1 plus M1 into M2 should not equal to 0. Means M1 into M2 not equal to minus 1. What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? Non-vertical lines. Okay. Yeah. If theta is the one of the angle between two straight lines, then other angle is pi minus theta. Usually the acute angle between two straight lines taken as the angle between the lines. That is not compulsory, but generally we will take like that. Some example problems, students. First problem, that to first one. Find the slope of the straight lines passing through the given points. 2 points are given here. For example, this straight line minus 3 comma 8 and 10 comma 5 given. We want to find its slope. Say line L. Slope of L is, this is x1, this is y1, this x2 is y, this is y2. y2 minus 1 by x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is y2 means 5 minus 8 by 10 minus half minus plus 3, that is equal to minus 3 by 13. So slope of L is minus 3 by 13. Okay, like that you can complete remaining problems. Second problem, find the value of x if the slope of the line joining these 2 points is 2. Okay, easy problem. So a line is given which is passing through 2 comma 5 and x comma 3 and its slope is 2. Let it be L. Slope of L is equal to 2. How to find slope of L? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 equal to 2, means 3 minus 5 by x minus 2 equal to 2. Okay, 3 minus 5 means what? Minus 2, no? That is x minus 2 equal to minus 1, x equal to 1. If x equal to 1, automatically its slope is equal to 2. Okay, next question, third question. Find the slope of the line whose inclinations are given, you want to find slope. Third problem, slope of, first one, slope of a line with inclination 120 I will take. Second problem I want to explain is tan 120, that is equal tan of 90 plus 30, that is equal minus cot 30, that is equal minus root 3. Okay, remaining problems you can complete. Next one is, find the slopes of the lines parallel and perpendicular to the line segment joining these 2 points. First of all, this is the one of the line which is passing through 6, 3 and minus 4, 5. Now we want to find the slope of a line which is parallel to this one thing and perpendicular to this 2. So this is L, so this is K. We want to find slope of L and slope of K. L is parallel to given line. If two lines are parallel, their slopes are equal, obviously. So this is AB. Okay, let L is parallel to AB implies slope of AB equal to slope of L. 1 minute, I wrote spelling wrong here. Okay, the slope of AB means, what is that? 5 minus 3 by minus 4 minus 6. This is x1 y1. So this is x2 y2. y2 minus 1 by x2 minus x1 equal to slope of L. So 5 minus 3 what nana? 2. 2 by minus 10 is equal to slope of L. What is this? Minus 1 by 5. Therefore slope of L minus 1 by 5. Slope of L minus 1 by slope of AB also minus 1 by 5. Now I want slope of K. I will write. Slope of K into slope of AB equal to minus 1. Why? They are perpendicular. AB is perpendicular to K. Slope of K into slope of A minus 1 by 5 what? Equal to minus 1. Therefore slope of K equal to 5. Okay students. Next problem, fifth problem. Find the angle between AB and AC where A, B, C are given. Interesting problem. For example, here A is given as 0, minus 1. B is given as 2, 1. And C, somewhere C is given as 0, 3. What should find AB and BC, between AB and B, this angle you want. First of all, you want to find slope of AB and slope of BC, then after you can find angle between them. Okay. First of all, slope of AB in bracket M1 equal to y2 minus 5. I think 0, 1, not minus 5, that one. 1 minute. This is minus 1. Okay. Students, listen, this is taken as x1 y1, this is taken as x2 y2. y2 minus y1, minus 1 by 0 minus 2, that is equal to minus 2 by minus 2, that is equal to 1. Slope of AB equal to 1. Slope of BC in bracket M2 equal to, now this is x1 y1, this is becomes x2 y2. y2 minus y1, 3 minus 1 by 0 minus 2, that is equal to 2 by minus 2, that is equal to minus 1. Okay. Students, here no need to use the formula. Actually you want to use the formula tan theta equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Here in this problem no need, because see these two product minus 1 only, no. What is the meaning of that? They are perpendicular. Slope of m1 into slope of m2, what we got? Minus 1. Therefore AB is perpendicular to BC. Okay. Students, sixth problem. Find the inclination of the line passing through these 2 points. This line is passing through these 2 points. We want first inclination. First of all, you want to find slope, and after that you can find inclination. Slope I will find. Slope of AB. So this is A, this is B, equal to. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is equal to root 3 minus 2 root 3 by 1 minus 4. That is equal to minus root 3 by minus 3. That is equal to 1 by root 3. So what I can say? Tan theta I can say. Tan theta equal to 1 by root 3. 1 of the theta equal to 30 degree. So what I can say? Inclination of AB is 30 degree. Inclination of AB equal to 30 degree.